Yeah, what about that boy on the shake and bake right there? Y'all give it up for Mr. Josh Eubanks. 8,000 Ford truck. Come out of the water. Battle Bluegrass brought to you by Liberty. Here he goes. Brian Pettis and a win
Wow.
What about that boy? What about that boy in Indiana right there? Equipment in his class tonight. Once again, he's out of Hodgenville, Kentucky. The Burning Cash White Dog. Mr. Nick Zipper. A little bouncy bounce there at the end. Let's see if it might have hurt him. Mr. Donnie Fryman out of Hartsville. What about that boy right there? Solid run.
Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Old Hambo took a ride there. Look like I had 6 switch hydraulics on that thing. Boy, he put that dual power to work
That's
right
cool.
there. Y'all give me a big hand, Mr. Shine now. Knock him off in his hometown. We're going to find out if we're going to add to the pull-off. Solid run right there, but was it enough? 3,000 RPM limit. They got to keep it there. And sometimes that can be hard to do.
Got it. No, you're out of the way.
Soon.
It's way too high.
About the 5. laid up on it. Let's see where we're at. Comes out of Falmouth, Kentucky, driving the Ford Top Pillar Toy, Tyler Lineker. Now that right there was interesting, because as he passed me, y'all can't see it because he's got his window up on the other side. He was playing solitaire on his laptop as he was headed down the track. Take lots of him. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, give me a full big hand right there. When's the last time you've seen a Nissan truck rolling coal other than when the carburetor was loading up? All right, here he comes, driving the luxury hooker. Tristan Ellington from right here in Cynthiana. We'll break it down in years here before long. Hang on, give me a second. Here he comes out of West Union, Ohio, driving the white Dodge, Mr. Abe Lineker. Adams County boy right here. Had some hard luck last time we was out. This is kind of like when you win the lottery. Everybody comes out of the woodwork. Driving Joe's toy right there. Truck owned by Tony and Mary Jo Wainscott out of Owenton, Kentucky. There he comes, Matt Arlinghouse out of Owenton, Kentucky, driving the Firestone Combine business. Yeah, what about that dinosaur right there? Y'all give him a big hand. Anything that doesn't get picked up tonight goes in my pocket to the poor country folk pulling team. All right, here he comes out of Carlisle, Kentucky, driving the red Duramax, Mr. Cody Ham. That ain't no good when she's humping buck like that. Better check for parts. Well, maybe so. I guess Randall took the night off. Here we go. Home from Kentucky, Dodge, called Highland Suspect. Truck, and I think he needs to leave him there. He drives much better than Randall does. Wesley Wade, hometown boy, from right here in Cynthiana. What about that coming right there? Give him a big hand, Mr. Wesley Wade, from right here in Cynthiana. In there, and the world just got blacked out over here. Oh. And we're back. I think we might have some clutch issues there. I do like the headlights on this one. Kind of got that Cookie Monster look going. Young. Smoking the tires on dirt. Boom shakalaka. Until I got stuck in the bike when the fire department got called. Then just turned ugly after that. Here he comes, Jordan Herring out of Fallon, Kentucky, driving the 01 Chevy. There's a mid-size stepping, son. There you go. Now go. No, really, now you go. All right. Where we're going to implement this rule. For those of you that are new to pulling, you have 2 attempts to get it to the 100-foot mark. He was out of it before the 100-foot, so we're going to back him up and try it again. This is his last attempt at making a official hook to the sled. It's even longer one from Barry since then. She coming to a bump stop, turns to our friend in the Larry Sled Room. Had that front end hopping like a rabbit. Everybody get a run. Y'all give me a hand for that boy in the power stroke right there. Like hug on a driver is. Last minute suit. That's a lot of smoke to be going that slow. I'm sorry. It is 3,000 RPM, but the main kicker for this class here is everybody runs the same turbo. Here he comes on Nicholsville, Kentucky. Blaine Perkins, entering Case IH called a little bit. Underneath the turbo a little bit. Case IH fans, 'Cause boy out of Fire Grove right there. A little insane. Singleton, third generation puller, Semper Fi. Give him a big hand right there, Jeff Wright.
Something.
What about you John Deere fans? Here's a pass right there. They've been working that thing out, trying to make it better every time. I think Mayor finally got her dialed in. Driving that thing. Y'all give it up for the birthday boy right there, Mr. Ron Mitchell out of Shelbyville, Indiana. Little Allison could. Yeah, if he'd have kept her straight, he'd been sitting on top of the pile. Where's my man, Mr. What about that boy right there, folks? Give him a big hand. Aaron Pruitt. Driving the Massey Ferguson I call family tradition. Man, he was hard on the brakes. And the rule of thumb there, anytime you got to tap the brakes, you might as well take 10 foot off your run. right there, folks. Give him a big hand, Dean Hampton. Out of Maysville, Kentucky. But the trucks are running good now. Here he comes, Mr. Mark Ward out of Maysville, Kentucky. You know what about that boy right there? Beautiful Freightliner out of Maysville, Kentucky, Mr. Mark Ward. Justified too. Look at the flame blowing up out that freight sucker, folks. Give him a big hand right there. I know what a lot of you are thinking. These trucks do get used. I can vouch for each one of them. Uh-oh. I think you tried to put it in the Proud Mary gear there. What about that boy right there? Mike Darnell is going, you need more power.
She had to stop.
Yeah, what about that green horse, folks?
You could have kept going.
Yeah, what about that Pete right there? Trying to catch the boss man. $325 and change now. You gotta go catch it. What about that piece right there, folks? He was gone trying to get there. Mark Wood.